Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, here we have it, a light kit from Olafus. They reached out to me a while ago and asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing it, and I said, heck yes I would. So here we are. I wasn't able to do it when I wanted to do it because the weather wasn't cooperating. We live on the water. We have an ice rink when the weather cooperates, but we haven't had it almost all winter, and it's what the heck, February now. So we have ice now, and I'd like to show you how this light works outside on the Salt River. It's 6,700 lumens. It has 140 little light chips here. It's multi-directional, and it has a lot to offer. So before we go outside tonight, because it is obviously light out right now, we can give you the full 411 on everything this light has to offer. All right, let's check it out. Okay, as you can see, the light kit has 3 light panels. These 2 panels here can swing completely around the back. You can tighten these nuts on both sides here. It's kind of nifty because you can have light in front of you, light behind you, or at any angle you need to have light. So I think that's awesome. I also want to mention that there is a little nut down here, and if you were to loosen that, let me move this, loosen this, move this, you could lie this light down completely and have light at your ceiling if you would need that for any reason. So I think that's pretty nifty too. So this is a really great work light for anybody in their garage or anybody having an outdoor event, and that would be me. That would be me for camping if I'm going. I do plan on bringing this actually when I go camping because it does take 80 watts, quite a bit, but if I only needed it for a short bit to get some things taken care of outside, what if I had to leave a situation and I needed light, and this would definitely do it. I could get my stuff all packed up, put away in a jiffy, and that'd be useful to me. So I am really glad that they reached out to me because I will use this when I go camping. But today we're gonna use it out at my house on the water to go ice skating. But moving on, let's talk about this Quart here. They say that it is 16.4 feet, but when I measured it from the light to the end of the plug here, it was 15 feet. Unless there's something wrong with me, I don't know. But doesn't matter, it was 15 from what I measured it. It also has a switch, which I think is awesome. Here's the thing. This kit itself is waterproof. The switch is not, so keep that in mind. Yeah, just thought I'd throw that out there. But anyhow, when we go out tonight, we're gonna see exactly how this light works under the cover of darkness. I have a plug at the dock down there by the water. We're gonna plug it in and we're gonna see just how bright this light is and how useful it is for our ice skating party tonight. So that's the 411 on the mechanics of this light. So let's see how it performs tonight. Catch you in a little bit. All right, we're gonna do a little test here for about an hour. I'm going to plug in the Olafus light kit to my Jackery. We're gonna see how many watts it pulls from the Jackery and how much my Jackery battery runs down in an hour. So I'm gonna set a timer for 1 hour. Let's get it plugged in. Okay. Let's see what we got. Let's turn around. Okay, just so you see it's on. I'm gonna leave it on in the house. It's super bright. Holy moly. That's why I have it angled over there. Let's see, it looks like 75 watts right now, 76. It's an 80 watt, it pulls 80 watts, so we're just gonna see. We're gonna set a timer from now until 20 after 2, that's 1 hour. All right, there's the clock. Okay, be back in an hour. All right, we are here 1 hour later, 20 after 2. The Jackery says, let's see here, 86%. So in 1 hour, it went from 99% down to 86%. But I wouldn't use it for that long. Maybe I'd only need it for 30 minutes, you know. But anyhow, yeah, so I think it would still be useful if I needed it on one of my camping adventures, and I would take it if need be. So yeah, that's what we know. Well, it's starting to get dark out, and I'm gonna head out and get this light all set up on the dock for ice skating tonight. So let's get that going. All right, let's go. Well, it's about 28 degrees out, and it's not quite dark out yet, not completely dark anyway. But this is a good time to go set this light up. So we're gonna have a blast tonight, and we're gonna see how this light from Olafus does here out on the Salt River while we're ice skating. All right, let me get it hooked up. Well, that's what it looks like dark, and that's what it looks like light. So wow. Wow. I think Jonathan's gonna hop on his little three-wheeler, his little Honda three-wheeler over there and take her for a spin. Pretty impressed. Let's go up there and check it out. There goes Jonathan. That's my son. And we're gonna go check out the ice here and how this lights up the ice. Wow, okay. It's pretty darn good. So this light has, I'll show you back here, it's got the 3 different panels on it, and everything has a screw, and you can loosen it, tighten it, move it, whatever direction you want. But what do you think? Not bad, eh? Pretty impressive. Not bad. So again, it has a switch right here, you can see. Oh man, which is a little bit snowy right now. It's so cold, but it's perfect. It's really great. You don't have to worry about plugging it in or unplugging it. It's beautiful. So we've got 6,700 lumens here. And I think this is really a great light source. That's what it looks like from inside the house. There's David. Great light source.
He weighs a little bit more than you do.
Perfect.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good so far.
Good. Thanks. She likes our light, guys.
You gotta hit me up.
She likes our light. That's my husband David and the yellow, and our friend Reggie and Sarah, a friend of Reggie's. It's been a while. Thank you, Olafus, for your patience. I appreciate that, but Michigan's had the most mild weather. If you're interested, I'll have the link in the description, so check it out. And that's that. How are your skates?
Oh, they're great.
You know what Uncle Kelly says? If you got skate, skate.
Are you doing? Oh, you're not doing a thing, are you?
I am. All right, you guys, have a fabulous night, as we will, and catch you later. Until next time.